Nagpuri AI Shayari videos are going viral across social media right now, attracting millions of views and massive engagement. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these trending videos using Edimakor and ChatGPT. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Edimakor. For this tutorial, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Step 2. Create the images. Now, go to AI Image, Image Generator, Reference Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT Image 2 model to generate the images. First, upload a reference photo, then copy the first image prompt that I provided in the description and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio and click Generate. After a short wait, Edimakor will automatically create your Nagpuri AI image. Step 3. Get the quotes. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the quote prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then press Enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 creative Nagpuri Shayari quotes for you to use in your videos. Step 4. Generate the videos now, return to Edimakor and locate the image you just generated. Right-click the image and select Image to Video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3 model to generate the videos. Next, copy the first quote generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Then adjust the duration and mode settings and click Generate.
Truth in life is this: people don't leave when you fail. They leave when your struggle becomes an inconvenience to them.
To create the remaining videos, simply repeat the same process using the other quotes generated by ChatGPT. Once your videos are finished, don't forget to share them on YouTube and include the #Edimakor AI tag. You may even receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor.